Did you know that a tiny seed, barely bigger than a poppy seed, could hold the key to better health? It sounds crazy, right? But for me, it was the chia seed that made all the difference. I was skeptical at first. How could something so small have such a big impact? I dove into the research and what I found astounded me. These little seeds are packed with antioxidants, even more than blueberries. Antioxidants are crucial for fighting free radicals in our bodies, which can damage our cells and lead to disease. Intrigued, I decided to incorporate chia seeds into my diet. Little did I know, my life was about to change. Chia seeds are like Mother Nature's little secret weapon. They're loaded with fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut. We're talking about more fiber per serving than flax seeds or even oats. And get this, they're a complete protein source, meaning they have all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce on their own. On top of that, chia seeds are brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, those healthy fats that are great for our hearts and brains. They even have calcium, iron, and magnesium. With all these nutrients, it's no wonder chia seeds are considered a superfood. But the real question is, how do they make you? Before chia seeds, I struggled with low energy levels and digestive issues. I felt sluggish and bloated, and my digestion was unpredictable, to say the least. I tried everything, probiotics, cutting out dairy, you name it. Nothing seemed to work. Then came chia seeds. I started by adding them to my smoothies and yogurt. The change wasn't overnight, but within a few weeks, I noticed a difference. My energy levels soared, and I felt lighter and more energized throughout the day. My digestion improved dramatically, and bloating became a thing of the past. I was hooked. Section 4. How to add chia seeds to your diet. The best part about chia seeds is their versatility. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or even use them as an egg replacement in baking. One of my favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds is in chia pudding. Just mix a 1/4 cup of chia seeds with a cup of your favorite milk. Add a dash of vanilla extract and a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a creamy, delicious pudding packed with nutrients. But there's one crucial tip I learned along the way that amplifies the benefits of chia seeds. Want to know what it is? Section 5. Your path to wellness. The secret to maximizing the benefits of chia seeds lies in activating them. Soaking chia seeds in liquid for a few minutes before consuming them wakes them up and makes their nutrients more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and utilize them more efficiently. Incorporating chia seeds into my diet has been a game changer, and I believe it can be for you too. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can boost your energy, improve your digestion, and contribute to your overall well-being. So why not give them a try? You might be surprised at the difference they can make.